Hello and welcome back. Today is day 4 of this 5-day dumbbell split I've been working on. Last week of my bulk, last week to try to increase my numbers. It is another legs and core day. I'm a little concerned. My hamstrings are still sore from a few days ago when I had my last legs and core day. So this should be interesting. Anyway, starting off with some suitcase squats. Last week I did 4 sets of 13 reps. So I will try to go up from there. I should be able to. Gonna be another tough lift. I'm worried when I get to deadlifts, but I'll be warming up and making sure I'm ready. Let's go. Fuck you! Woo! 4 sets of 14. Deadlifts next. I gotta warm them up first. Some warm-up sets. Last week I did 4 sets of 14 on suitcase deadlifts. So I'll be trying 4 sets of 14. Once I catch my breath. Woo! Need to start doing more cardio. Whew. Hamstring survived for now. Next up, I have some split squats, 3 sets on each leg. I'll be holding 2 50-pound dumbbells. To beat last week's numbers, I need to beat 3 sets of 11 reps. This one's gonna get me breathless. Oh. All right, that wasn't pretty. I'm gonna have to drop set. I'm going down to 35 for these next ones. I'll slow my reps down, but my hamstrings and glutes, they're destroyed still. Woo! Okay. Once I catch my breath, I've got seated calf raises, 4 sets, 20 reps, 50-pound dumbbells. Ah! All right, next up I have hip thrust. I'll be using one 50-pound dumbbell, and to beat last week's number, I need to do greater than 14 reps per set. Let's work them glutes. hip thrusts are done. Next on deck is dumbbell side bends. I'll be holding 35-pound dumbbells, 3 sets of 15. Starting some core work. Next up, I have a forearm plank. I'm just gonna do one 90-second hold, forearm plank hold. Easy stuff. All right, next up, lateral raises, myo rep sets, shoulder burnout. Shoulders are fried! 17 reps. Gotta match that. Fuck. All right. Last exercise of the day. Another myo rep set. This time with a decline benched bicep curls. Whew. 10 reps. And day 4 is done. Overall successful. I did well in the squat and deadlift section. Split squats, by the time I got there, my legs were destroyed. I mean, I went in pretty fatigued and sore today. I probably could have used another rest day, but here I am. So I just dropped the weight a little bit. I still got a good workout in the split squats. The rest of my lifts went pretty well. Mostly accessory work after that. I'm gonna be fatigued the rest of the day. Anyways, gonna refuel with my smoothie and some carbs. Head to work. And tomorrow is my last lift of this bulk. It's an upper body day. It's a good day. I like it a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace and get sweaty. Later, y'all.